we're headed on into Zion Guru to pick up our dry suits. We looked at another place. They had similar, but Zion Guru had the ones with the attached feet to the rest of the bibs, so we decided to go with them.
Oh yeah, and we're gonna go walk the Narrows.
Oh yeah, did we say that?
The next day.
We are getting ready to go on the Narrows today. We're pretty excited, a little nervous. We rented some dry suits, so we're going to show how fun they are to get in.
They got little booties.
They do, and they're tied in. Hopefully we'll keep you warmer.
Much easier to get on than a wetsuit. So they got little handy little pockets. Keep stuff
cool.
dry.
And they gave you little boots.
And it is recommended that you get dressed ahead of time.
Yes.
Now we do wear wicking type pants. It's suggested to do that because of the water temperature and your body temperature are vastly different. And so the water will condensate in these pants.
It's moist. Oh, okay. Whew, I think we're ready to go. Alright, we're getting ready to go. Better use of the sticks for right now. That's the river we're going into.
Here we are, ready to go. We're on our waterproof bibs, ready to go through the Narrows.
Yeah.
Right now we're on the river walk, which is the paved trail.
I'm a little concerned about this. My hands are frozen. It's a little cold. Are my feet going to turn to icicles? We don't know. Our pants are rather noisy. It sounds like rustling leaves, but it's just us.
How do shoes seem to handle the ice well?
Yeah, they do. All right, here we go. This is such a bad idea.
It really is.
Yeah. All right, we are on. That's some serious current there.
Yeah, it is. Kind of nippy.
Holy cow, look at that. This is awesome. And nuts in the winter. Nuts. It's kind of deep. Oh, and strong.
Iced.
I'm gonna let you go first. Okay, now I'm past my pool. That is some serious water current. I'm gonna go sideways. Can barely get my pole out. There we go. Wow. That was a bit slickery. Mine aren't too bad. I did wear wool socks though.
I put thin socks on.
Oh, well, what were you thinking?
So this is really cool.
Why'd you do that in your scary voice?
Yeah, so this is really cool.
Oh, that's deep. Oh, that's deep. Oh, that's deep. That was not very graceful. Oh, a little deep. Okay. I don't know if I can. Hold on. I'm gonna try. No, I can't. It's gonna get my backpack wet for sure. Holy cow, this is deep. This is deep. That's a better plan.
Yep, gotta get the proverbial selfie with the expensive camera.
Of course, if I'm gonna bring it along, might as well use it, right?
Yeah, and break it.
No.
Yeah.
Whew. I think it's cold in here now. That was a little harder. Think we need a water break?
Okay. You won't argue with it.
That water is fast.
I was walking, the rocks were washing up from underneath my feet. It was going really, really fast.
This is pretty cool. But my legs are starting to hurt right now. How are yours?
They're fine. They keep going this ice bath, so the swelling goes down.
Swelling does go down. Oh, that's deep. It's kind of mucky. You know, a hot tea would have been wonderful by now. Yeah, it's really getting cold. I don't want to go in yet. It's too cold. Wow.
The Narrows here, no joke. Kind of cool though. Whoa. Sorry, babe, I didn't know it was slippery. I would have warned you. Hey, stand here and listen. It echoes like a speaker.
It's been a beautiful hike so far, but it is really cold and tiring. Water is just so strong. Just so strong. I don't know. We'll see how much further we go.
You getting tired?
Yes.
Think you can make it to the floating rock and then we'll go back?
I don't know.
No, we can go back.
I'm seriously tired. I can't see how you're not.
I'm ready to go. We can turn around, babe. There's no shame in it. You've seen quite a bit of the canyon, so.
All right. I'm calling it. We're not going to get to Floating Rock today, but we made a good amount of it. I think I'm just starting to get really cold and I'm losing energy, so we'll have to stop some point and have lunch. Maybe that'll help.
In the sun.
And the sun. That would be really nice to have the sun. On our way back, we stopped at the T crossing, where we were recommended to not continue due to deep water.
It's crystal clear, babe. Yeah. Yeah, it gets a little deep here. I lose my stick, so I think I'll stop there.
Good plan.
Careful, guys. It's a little wet up this way.
No.
I think if you sit down over there, it's like a big jacuzzi.
I do not think so. Oh, we're headed back to the sun. Yay, maybe we can warm up just a little bit. You know what, babe? That sun makes me happy. Oh, this will be really good. I need to unthaw myself.
I didn't think I was hungry until I started seeing food.
Oh, yeah? I wasn't hungry, I'm just tired.
You're a wuss.
Yep. Always has something in his beard. Okay, those guys are nuts over there. Just chill. Literally. Alright. Time to go swimming. There is so much beauty around every corner on this hike. And it looks so different on the way back versus coming. Light does funny things. And so does Gary. Dork wide. You did not see that. I caught myself before I got in the water fully. If all else fails, save the camera. This is like literally the next corner. This looks rough. It is really moving. Give me a second then. Shit. I don't have a place to put my foot. I'm trying to find a place to go over and I cannot. Shit. Okay, yeah, that was bad. That was a bit rough. Oh, I'm so glad I didn't fall. I'm so glad I didn't fall. This seems to be a little more sandy. You can get over the rocks. Alright, so we're ending our Narrows hike for today.
We're gonna hit the river walkway, and that's all concrete, so that doesn't count.
Yeah.
But yeah, we survived the Narrows.
Only fell a few times, but not submerged.
No cameras were damaged in the creating of this video.
Which was quite shocking. It was harder than I thought, though.
Yeah, it was pretty good.
It was
a good strenuous workout.
Worth the whole time.
Oh yeah,
Absolutely.
it was worth the walk up there.
If you have the ability and the chance to do this, we'd recommend it wholeheartedly. All right. See you soon.
See ya.
I hope you don't think we'd stop with Zion hikes just yet. Well, we think not. Catch us next week as we continue crossing hikes off of our list like Emerald Pools and see if we can get that coveted Angel's Landing permit.